I think I'm time. Hi everyone. Hello Deepak. Jai Hind. Am I audible? I'm good. If somebody can say wave or say that I'm audible, then it will be good. Hi Lalit. Oh, that's great. So I've just spoken with Vivek also, Major Vivek. Uh, he will be joining shortly. Like me, he is also a novice when it comes to Insta Live and other. And I told him that how to join. If he is not able to join, then I will have to, you know, drop again and then again invite him and let him know how to join. But I'm sure he will figure it out. Otherwise, lockdown is going miserably good. Enjoying, in life, if you have life throws lemon on you, just make lemonade out of it. So that's what we are trying to do. And let's see. I just wait. Yeah, get a tequila also. Don't worry, Lalit. You are in a dry state. I am not. Yeah. Don't worry. I will get live. So Vivek is here, was saying I'm not able to get live. Vivek, yeah, there, the same rugged look, the same. अरे what's happening in this world यार? ये हो क्या रहा है दुनिया में? ये कहाँ बुला लिया मेरे को तूने यार? Same look, Vivek. You lived with it. You lived with it.
Sorry. क्या बोलते हैं? Can you hear me, see me, whatever? Can you?
एकदम live, loud and clear भाई, loud and clear. Strength 5
So
ऐसे बोलते हैं ना अपन.
ठीक है
Strength 5.
हाँ
If you can switch off the light behind you now, or if you can turn something because that light is
Okay.
coming in the eyes.
Yeah, got. Just give me a minute.
पहले तो मैं जनता को बोल देता हूँ, जनता देख लो भाई, विवेक भाई is there, Major Vivek is here, and he is as human as he can be. वही दाढ़ी, वही इंसान. So he is not a superhuman. He is not a Superman kind of a person. Normal human being with normal looks.
Hey, sorry.
I was just telling the viewers that dekh lo bhai, Vivek is as human as he can be, like you and me. Though
Absolutely.
he is from his background and his things is something beyond people may not be can imagine. So मैंने कहा what had happened is lot many people have been asking me what's a SF, paras and all, and I thought, okay, why not start from something for bringing someone people from our own fraternity, from our own regiment, and who better to start than you, Vivek?
There are many better people. There are many better people to start with.
Yeah, there are many better. There are many legends. I will say there are many legends within the regiment also. So I will because we have got 1 hour quick. We started little late, but let's start the talk, Vivek, first. So what I will ask, if you can give little bit about when you joined. You are from NDA, which con and all, and how did you land up in NDA first? And was there anything especially what you had to do to clear your CDS or SSB and NDA entrance and all? Just quick one.
अच्छा, so the thing is, क्या बोलते हैं? Very early on in life, it was circumstances of life was such that I had to take on the responsibility of my mother, right? तो मेरे को पता था भाई क्या बोलते हैं 12वीं के बाद I have to start either become independent or start earning money, one of the two. And I was interested in Forge, and NDA was the way to go. And मेरे को I was not very good at studies because I could not sit and study. So, but NDA के लिए क्या बोलते हैं, that is the only exam I ever studied for in my life, and I did well. I cleared it. I landed up in NDA. I was in Foxtrot, Scotland. I joined NDA in 1997, June 1997. हाँ, and क्या बोलते हैं NDA है, and 3-3, and I broke my leg in NDA, and I lost 6 months there, and I had a bike accident basically on leave. So, so I NDA was 3.5 years, and then after that, so by the time NDA was happening, so I saw some of my instructors. Panging sir was our instructor, Hemonto Panging.
Okay.
तो हाँ, तो पैंगिंग सर को देखा यार ये ठीक है. अच्छा, okay. तो I saw Pango sir, and I said कि यार लाइफ में कुछ करना है, फौज में तो यही करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है ना. तो that's where it came into my head, and it was also a very practical thing also कि अटैक एंड डिफेंस की एक्सरसाइज चलती है एनडीए में ना. देयर इज वन पार्टी इज अटैकिंग ऑन अ हिल फीचर एंड वन पार्टी इज डिफेंडिंग इट. तो आई वाज पार्ट ऑफ द अटैकिंग पार्टी. तो अटैकिंग पार्टी में वो प्लाटून रॉड्स में खड़ा कर देते हैं, एंड देयर इज सम इमेजिनरी माइनफील्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, एंड यू हैव टू वॉक थ्रू दैट माइनफील्ड, एंड देयर इज मशीन गन फायर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, एंड लोग मरते रहते हैं, एंड फाइनली यू रीच द हिल एंड you rush it and take it and whatever. तो मैं ये देख रहा था ये सब कुछ, मेरे को लगा दिस इज सो स्टूपिड, इट्स स्टूपिड. इससे अच्छा तो हम पैराशूट से ऊपर से आते और ऊपर से गोली मारते हुए नीचे आते. यार हाँ. So I thought, if you are going to do anything in life, whatever you're going to do, and you choose your profession, whatever it may be, you choose the best. ठीक है, you choose the best. If you are going to war, go to war with the best. Go to war with the best guys. Go to war with the best equipment. Go to war with the best training. Go to war with the best mandate. ठीक है. तो SF for me was the best thing to do in combat. अगर लड़ाई में जाना ही है, मारकाट ही करना है, तो फिर स्पेशल फोर्सेस से ही करेंगे. Like that. Okay. So that way, that was the logic.
And how difficult it was? How difficult it was? Like you said that you had broken your leg. Okay, so not many people have this curiosity, and we have seen that probation, making through paras, the probation is not easy, and physical fitness is, being at the supreme of your physical fitness is one of the simplest thing which is part of the provision, easiest thing and the simplest thing to be part of the provision. There are many said and not said things which are there, जो probation में हमारे होती है, which are expected from you, and when you are grilled through that period. So how difficult it was, to make your mind that okay, I've injured, मेरा leg broken है, I've come out of the academy, and then still with that motivation was in your mind कि नहीं, I will make it there.
So okay, everybody in my course thought, and my course mates thought कि ये तो कर लेगा. They all thought that. ठीक है, I had a reputation or whatever, ये तो कर लेगा. But in my mind, I always felt कि I'll not get selected. I felt I'll not get selected because the unit that I was going to join, or the unit I had volunteered for, it was 9 para SF, and 9 para that time 9 para commando, right? So 9 para commando or SF at that time had a very simple, silent reputation. कि ये it is a ghost battalion. ये भूतों की पलटन है, यहाँ भूत रहते हैं. ठीक है, that was the reputation.
It was.
तो मतलब हम लोग तो नॉर्मल इंसान है, कहाँ से भूत के पलटन में चले जाएंगे, है ना. सो दैट थिंग वाज देयर, बट आई डिड नॉट, माय डिसीजन ऑफ वॉलंटियरिंग फॉर स्पेशल फोर्सेस वाज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन वेदर आई विल सक्सीड और फेल. इट वाज बेस्ड ऑन दिस, दैट दिस इज व्हाट आई विल ट्राई, आई विल डू. इट इज ठीक है. So I did not take the step of volunteering for special forces. I wanted to join special forces. I had a logic. I had the emotions. I knew physically I had what I could do. I knew. And क्या बोलते हैं, but success or failure, whether I will succeed, I will get selected. If I don't get selected, what people will think, this, that, whatever, what will I do in life? Not, yes, that was not the, that was not, on these thoughts I did not base my decision. My decision was simple कि ये करना है बस, इसके बाद देखेंगे.
Yeah.
So like
No,
that.
so I think so. There is a very great message what you have sent is that always aim for the best in life. There are no shortcuts, and till the time you don't have that confidence and belief, and you don't your expectations, you don't set right your expectations, you won't get the best. So I think so. It's and for us, 9 para was भूतों वाली पलटन है और यहाँ पर इंसान नहीं, यहाँ पर वो रहते हैं. तो then I want to bring another question, and people have asked me, why 9? Even भूतों वाला पलटन है, just because it was one of the most dreaded that you took it as a challenge, or you admired something though Penguin
like
was
that.
there? Yeah.
If I had the option, I would not have volunteered for 9. I wanted to. तो पहले ही बता रहा हूँ कि वो मेरे को तो लगा सिलेक्ट ही नहीं होंगे. मतलब हाँ, I wanted to volunteer for special forces and I wanted to volunteer for 1 para special forces. ठीक है. हाँ, but and I was fitting in that order of merit also. ठीक है. तो हम लोग ने आपस में डिसाइड कर लिया था कि ये 9 के लिए जाएगा. हर्षन रामचंद्रन, God bless his soul, he is no more. हर्षन was supposed to join 9 para SF. I was supposed to join 1 para SF and so forth. हम लोग ने सबने डिसाइड कर लिया था आपस में. But then there is one, क्या कहते हैं उसको, वो फ्री टिकट एक आती है ना बीच में. तो हाँ, that so there was a coachmate. He came in and he told me कि Jacob, he was below in merit, but he came and told me, Jacob, you won't get 1 para SF. I have already done the जुगाड़. Okay. So he said, तू देख ले अपना तुझको क्या चाहिए.
One very close to our heart, and I just want to divert from our discussion. You brought name of Harshan. People may not be knowing, Captain Harshan, Ashok Chakra for us, one of our beloved, one of, I will say a superhero. I have seen him very closely only when we were there in Agra together. And you have done training academy, and Harshan, how humble a person can be, and still how focused mind he was there. Something which you want to tell our audience or people who are there, that what Harshan was all about. Captain Harshan, Ashok Chakra. I don't want to take out that Ashok Chakra from his, what he has earned posthumously. Something, and how you felt when he was not there with us.
तो ये अशोक चक्र है ना. अशोक चक्र की वैल्यू, it is a medal, or it is what, its value is created by human beings, है ना. तो अशोक चक्र की इज्जत बढ़ी है, हर्षन को मिला है. तो
करेक्ट,
हर्षन की इज्जत नहीं बढ़ी है, अशोक चक्र की इज्जत बढ़ी है. वो बंदा बहुत तगड़ा था. हर्षन was a gentle giant, very highly intellectual human being. In fact, I'll tell you something. मेरे जितने दोस्त थे स्पेशल फोर्सेस में, मतलब who I thought as intellectual and advanced human beings, spiritual human beings, all of them died. तो जितने ये ठुके, मोहित went, बड़े हर्षन went, क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत है. ठीक है, ऐसे करके all of these guys had next level of spirituality in them, next level of intellect. वो नॉर्मल लोगों की तरह नहीं सोचते थे. So it was kind of a thing. I thought कि भगवान जिसको ज्यादा चाहता है उसको जल्दी बुला लेता है वाला kind of a thing. They had already advanced. They had come to learn only 1 or 2 things on earth. They learned it and they left. ठीक है. So like, and Harshan was actually one of the best human beings I met in my life. He was a combination of extreme physical strength, extreme mental strength, extreme humbleness, a big, large heart. He was a demo.
No, I will second it without any doubt in life. If whatever you said about Captain Harshan is right. So now coming back, thanks for making me nostalgic and taking me back to Harshan and the memories. I've seen and what you are doing now in life, when it comes to claw, conquering land, air, water about in life, always adventure and, had been close to your heart, not being SF. I think, that is there. How was your first experience when you did your free fall? I will come back to, SF and all. How was your first experience about, doing the free fall, being suspended in the air and all?
So I had a very bad experience in my free fall. So, तो क्या था कि I don't know how the audience is going to take to it, but whatever I'll tell you truth only. Okay.
Correct.
So whatever I won't tell you. Rest I'll tell you truth. So the thing is, yaar, ki, we were the first course when I started combat free fall course. Firstly, I'll tell them what is combat free fall. Many of them won't know. So combat free fall is a specialist intervention technique. Basically, क्या होता है कि special forces have to reach the enemy by any means, land, sea or air. We have to enter into enemy territory, penetrate inside, destroy or surveil the target or whatever, and fall back. Right? तो जमीन से हम माउंटेनियरिंग करके जाते हैं या पैदल जाते हैं, है ना, पानी में हम अंडर वाटर डाइविंग करके जाते हैं और हवा में हम स्काई डाइविंग करके जाते हैं. ठीक है. So you are carrying your full battle load. You jump out. There are two different techniques. There's something called hey-ho. There's something called halo. High altitude, high opening में आप 25-30 हज़ार से jump मारते हो. You're breathing oxygen and you jump and you pull and you fly about 30-40 kilometers deep inside enemy territory. Do what the fuck you have come there to do and scoot. So that is hey-ho, and halo is you fall. You are over the target and you fall from high altitude. You're breathing oxygen again, but you fall directly over the target. As you are nearing the target, you open up, swoop down, hit, scoot. ठीक है. So that is halo, right? तो मैं इसका ये कोर्स कर रहा था और हुआ क्या कि इंडियन मैन्युफैक्चर्ड फ्री फॉल पैराशूट आ गए थे. ठीक है.
So you were the gummy pig. You were the guinea pig.
Yeah. We were the guinea pigs. ठीक है. And before that, all courses were being conducted by US manufactured parachutes. And उसका कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके इंडियन पैराशूट सिस्टम बना दिया था. And there is something called a Cypress. Cypress is like a pen drive. It's the size of a pen drive. It is fitted onto your reserve parachute. And in case you are unconscious in air or something happens, there is an accident, it will automatically deploy your parachute. It will open your parachute, even if you are not in your senses, right? तो हमारे लिए Cypress नहीं था. It is illegal to jump without a Cypress anywhere in the world. The instructor and the student both can be put in jail for jumping without it. ठीक है. पर हमारे लिए नहीं था Cypress. ठीक है. And what they had done is वो अपना PPKU नहीं आता, पापा KU. हाँ. ऑटोमेटिक ओपनिंग डिवाइस होता है. लाइक अ ब्लडी बिग क्लॉक. हाँ, उसको सर पे मार दिया तो सर फट जाएगा ऐसे करके. बहुत भारी लोहे की चीज होती है. वो उन लोग ने मेन पैराशूट पे लगा दिया था. ठीक है. मेन पैराशूट पे लगा दिया था कि ये लगा तो दिया है हमने, साइप्रस की जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो मैंने उनको बोला ये तो मेन पैराशूट पे है, मेन पैराशूट तो मैं खोल ही दूंगा. पर मेन में फकअप हो गया तो रिजर्व कौन खोलेगा, है ना. मेन तो एक्सीडेंट फ्री फॉल में कभी नहीं होता. या तो पैराशूट खुलते टाइम होता है या लैंडिंग में होता है. मैंने यार हैंडल तो मैं खींच ही दूंगा, तो रिजर्व कौन खोलेगा. तो नहीं ये वो करके. सो इट वाज वेरी फिशी बिजनेस गोइंग ऑन बेसिकली. ठीक है. एंड द सेकंड थिंग अबाउट इंडियन कॉम्बैट फ्री फॉल सिस्टम इज दिस, दैट क्या बोलते हैं, फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो होता है. ठीक है. आपको बहुत ग्राउंड में पीटी करा के मसल बना के, ठीक है, और उसके बाद आपको हवाई जहाज में चढ़ा देते हैं और सीधे ले जाते हैं ऊपर, है ना. जंप स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 6000 फीट. ठीक है. फ्री फॉल. तो हमारा इंडिया में सिस्टम बिल्कुल उल्टा है. हम नीचे से ऊपर जाते हैं, बाहर लोग ऊपर से नीचे आते हैं. बिकॉज लॉजिक इज, नया स्टूडेंट है, फॉल कर रहा है, स्टेबल होने में टाइम लगेगा, ये होगा वो होगा, थोड़ा एयर अवेयरनेस होगा, फ्री फॉल चल रहा है, तो ही हैज टाइम टू रिएक्ट, राइट. ही इज इन एब्सोल्युटली न्यू एनवायरनमेंट, राइट. ही हैज टाइम टू रिएक्ट. हम लोग नीचे से ऊपर शुरू किया हमने भाई 6000 से, कि भैया जो है बाहर निकलते ही कर देना. ठीक है. एंड अब्रॉड इन ऑल अदर कंट्रीज you have lot of people must have seen जो सिविलियन में स्ट्रीट में स्काई डाइविंग जो चलती है, ठीक है, they hold you and take you out, धीरे 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 करके प्रोग्रेस करते हैं। पहले विंड टनल पे सिखाएंगे, फिर आपको 2 इंस्ट्रक्टर ले जाएंगे, आपका पैराशूट डिप्लॉय करेंगे, 4-5 बार आप ऐसे जंप करोगे, और फिर धीरे धीरे करके एक इंस्ट्रक्टर चले जाएगा, फिर एक ही कूदेगा आपके साथ, फिर धीरे धीरे वो छोड़ेगा। 10-12 जंप के बाद, एंड आफ्टर couple of hours in the wind tunnel, you are allowed to jump independently, right? But not like this in special forces. In special forces in India, ठीक है? So in India क्या कहते हैं, we straight away हम लोग गए, फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो, हवाई जहाज ऊपर चढ़ा, दरवाजा खुल गया 6000 पे, बोला लाइन अप गो अलोन। तो हाँ आउट, नो नथिंग, नो हेल्प, नथिंग, यू आउट। तो आई वॉज द सीनियर मोस्ट इन द कोर्स, तो सबसे पहले मुझे ही जंप करना था। तो क्या कहते हैं, सो आई वेंट आउट, आई जंप्ड एंड आई हैड अ ब्लडी सेक्सी फॉल, सेक्सी फकिंग फॉल, मतलब स्टेबल, बिल्कुल मजा आ गया, ठीक है। एंड आई वाज फॉलिंग एंड दिस इज गुड शिट यार, इजी स्टफ, ठीक है। तो मैं ऐसे फॉल कर रहा था एंड आई वेंट फॉर द हैंडल पुल। वो हैंडल खींचने का टाइम आता है ना, तो आई वाज काउंटिंग 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 पुल किया, पुल निकला ही नहीं, हैंडल फंस गया, ठीक है। तो हैंडल फंस गया और क्या कहते हैं, वो निकला ही नहीं, एंड then the terror hit me, right? You are going like a rocket, you are falling like a piece of rock towards the earth, right? तो अब वो हैंडल नहीं निकल रहा है, तो उसका एक ड्रिल होता है, where you collapse your position and you start hitting your other hand with it, मार के। तो मैंने मार के हैंडल निकाल दिया, ठीक है, हैंडल तो निकाल दिया, but I was in a tumble, so the parachute opened up and all the rigging lines wrapped up around my leg in free fall, ठीक है। तो मेरा पूरा हॉर्सशू हो गया, ठीक है, एंड फिर भड़ाम कुछ हुआ एंड पैराशूट खुल गया और मैंने जाके लैंड कर दिया। दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट जंप, नॉट अ वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस, ठीक है। दिस हैपेंड टू मी 3 times, फर्स्ट जंप, फोर्थ जंप। बाय द टाइम आई हैड रीच्ड 4 जंप, फर्स्ट जंप के बाद तो मैंने बोला यार ये सिस्टम तो ठीक नहीं है, ये तो मौत का कुआं है ये तो, ठीक है। तो आई थॉट कि यार यहाँ तो मरेंगे साला, ठीक है, बट यू आर को सीनियर, दिस दैट, एंड यू कैन नॉट बैक ऑफ। सो करता रहा। सेकंड जंप वाज वेरी गुड, थर्ड जंप वाज सुपर एक्सीलेंट। बाय द फोर्थ जंप में मैंने डेल्टा उल्टा बनाना शुरू कर दिया था। आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग डेल्टा फ्री फॉल। हाँ, बाय फोर्थ जंप आई वाज इन डेल्टा, एंड जिस जंप में, ये फोर्थ जंप में मैंने डेल्टा बनाया था, उसमें अगेन सेम प्रॉब्लम, हैंडल फंस गया, सेम वही मारपुर के निकाला, ये वो हॉर्सशू हो गया, धड़ाम भड़ूम हुआ, एंड आई गॉट आउट। 11th jump I went unconscious in free fall, same thing happened। फ्री फॉल कर रहा था, बहुत सॉलिड जंप जा रहा था। इनफैक्ट मैंने बेट लगा रखा था उस दिन, वी कैरी दो ऑल्टी मास्टर होते हैं ना, तो मैंने ऑल्टी मास्टर पहन रखा था, और एक और एसएफ का ऑफिसर था, उसके साथ मैंने बेट लगा रखा था कि देखते हैं साला जो हु इज वेरी मोर दिस थिंग, कौन सबसे नीचे खोलेगा,
लास्ट टू डिप्लॉय।
हाँ, लास्ट टू डिप्लॉय, ठीक है। तो वो चल रहा था, एंड दैट डे तो मतलब बहुत सेक्सी जंप वंप ये वो, एंड मैंने काउंट किया कि अभी तक तो उसने खोल दिया होगा, इतना पास तो नहीं आएगा जमीन के, ठीक है। देन आई काउंटेड 3000 मोर, 1000, 2000, 3000, फिर खोला मैंने, खोला, हैंडल फंस गया, निकला नहीं बाहर, ठीक है। तो हाँ, फिर ये बड़ा, फिर तो मतलब सॉरी, अल्टीमेट वो टेरर वाला सीन हो गया, एंड आई मैनेज टू व्हाटएवर, तोड़ फोड़ के मैंने निकाल तो दिया बाहर, but it went into a tumble and my knee smashed my face and I was unconscious and I was out। Last thing मुझे याद है, वो जो हैंडल मेरे हाथ में था, जैसे my knee smashed my face, that handle, my body went loose, and that handle, my hand opened and that handle, I saw the handle falling। So that's the last thing I remember कि यार ये तो बड़ी साला कंट्रोल आइटम गुम हो गया, नीचे जाके ढूंढना पड़ेगा इसको।
चलो, that was an interesting story, amazing story, and I think so you are enjoying your adventure now with Claw।
I'll just tell you, so what happened was कि I landed up in hospital, ठीक है, मेरा वो स्पाइनल इंजरी हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, जो भी है। 2 years I could not jump, ठीक है। So then I took 5 lakhs personal loan from Punjab National Bank। I went to Thailand। I went to Thailand and I did body skydiving there, दबा के। तो
but that will be a cakewalk for you then। in
नहीं, हाँ
Thailand.
ठीक था. Nice. It was nice. Yeah.
So I do understand, that people, I cannot express or I cannot tell people what you are made of, and pange lena ka and pange and taking those pangas and being on always on the edge, how close it is to your heart. Only few who have been knowing you personally will understand. When it comes to Vivek, impossible is nothing when it comes to especially, that Kida kind of a thing. Now I got one more questions which I want to say is that coming back to your our regiment and coming back
This guy
to
just
the
asked the question. Yeah, Shresh Pandey just asked the question. How good are Indian special forces as compared to Western special forces like SEALs? We are the fucking best in the world. And there's a reason why. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why.
or your
See,
floor is
SF,
yours.
na, SF is a fucking state of mind. Okay? It does not, you don't need to wear a uniform or go around killing people to be special forces or to be like special forces or whatever. It is a state of mind. It is simply this, that what you think, you can do it. That's all. यार ये करना है बस. अब वो it's like a saying, कि कर्म वो करो जो करना ही फल लगे, है ना? है ना? कर्म वो करो जो करना ही फल लगे. उसके बाद क्या होगा वो तो देख लेंगे. ठीक है? So as far as our special forces is concerned, facts. We have had 2 international special forces competitions called Airborne Africa. Right? Airborne Africa mein special forces from across the world come and compete, and we had them hollow. Team A, two teams from each country participated, Team A and Team B. And at the end of that competition of special forces, Team B of India was first, Team A of India was second. Okay. So another thing I'll tell you, we do a lot of, ऐसा नहीं है, they are not fuck all. ठीक है? Navy SEALs are good, ठीक है? SAS are good, Spetsnaz are good, है ना? GSG 9 ये वो बहुत सारे, everybody is good, right? But they operate they have their own style of operating. ठीक है? उनका mechanics अलग है, हमारा mechanics अलग है. But as far, yeah, देखो टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ तो आदमी बहुत कुछ कर सकता है, बट स्पेशल फोर्सेस वो आदमी है जो निहत्ते हाथ भी कुछ भी कर जाए, राइट? सो दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अस एंड देम. आवर गाइज विद नथिंग, बड़ी वेपन नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा, हमें पहाड़ों में फेंक दो, पानी में फेंक दो, साला समुद्र में फेंक दो, बर्फ में फेंक दो, हम साला सर्वाइव कर जाएंगे और ठोक भी देंगे. ठीक है? तो that is the basic difference. उनको क्या चाहिए? उनको हेलीकॉप्टर चाहिए. ठीक है? उनको जो 40 किलोमीटर जाना है, हेलीकॉप्टर में जाएंगे. एनीथिंग अबव 7 किलोमीटर they will fly. All right.
They are not comfortable with uncertainties. They are not comfortable. They need answer of everything.
Absolutely. And special forces to uncertainty hai bhai. Everything is uncertain.
So even if you see any of the movies which they actually they show so high about them, but whatever movies if you see, you say bhai हाले सारा आंसर तो तुम्हारे पास है, सारा टेक्नोलॉजी तुम्हारे पास है, and then you brag about it. Only thing is we don't project. I think so, and you are very much right that hell yeah. So coming back, and what I'm saying is, ये ऐसे ही नहीं हो जाता ना. SF does not become whatever you are talking about, whatever is speaking about कि we are amongst the best. I will say not a notch down about anyone else. So what is your routine like? People have been very inquisitive, asking, sir, what are their SF routines? What is your life about so that you are there on the top? It's just not ऐसे नहीं होता ना कि आज सोए और कल उठ गए और
मैं बताता हूँ. I'll tell you. ठीक है? तो हमारे गेट हमारे गेट पे 1000 लोग आते हैं सिलेक्शन के लिए. ठीक है? 1000 people come for selection. उनको गेट पे बता दे fuck off from here. पहले you are all fail. Nobody, this is not a selection center. We are not going to select anyone. ठीक है? It is like that. जो लोग आधे लोग तो वहीं भाग जाते हैं. ठीक है? They fuck off that time only. कि because we are not joking, we are serious. We will make your life hell. Okay? So जो थोड़ा wannabe टाइप है, ये है आइडियाज है, वो वहीं साइड हो जाते हैं. ठीक है? Serious, some more serious players are left. Then what we do is we show you what you are. That is the job of probation. We show you what you are and what you are actually capable of doing. We take you to your limits. Okay. So, just sorry, 1 second.
No, you are there. You are there.
I am there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you see me?
It's freezed. It's freezed.
एक minute, let me. How do I do this now?
You again, there is a join request. You have to just put it a join request again if you are out.
ये कहाँ होता है यार?
You drop a message. Yeah, you're back.
Sorry,
I don't know how it works. I am as no wise as you are. I also don't know. I searched, मतलब वो कहते GD style में I gone back where you had written that message ना निर्मित कहाँ से आना I don't know. I clicked and I invited you again. You know, again, guys, can anyone tell how to bring him fast back on the live? I'm sorry. You were there now. You were telling You are
yeah. So we show you what you are and क्या बोलते हैं धीरे करके बंदे टूटते जाते हैं, इतना एक्सट्रीम सर्कमस्टेंसेस डालते हैं कि बंदे की आत्मा बाहर आ जाती है, ठीक है? एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी वांट टू सी because special forces is built for life and death situations. This is the body when nobody else can do anything in this country, we will be called. ठीक है? Anything which has to be executed covertly or in clandestine बताना है या बिना बताए कुछ करना है और कोई नहीं कर सकता तो हमें बुलाया जाता है, ठीक है? तो मतलब अगर हम फेल हो गए, for example, let's say this Osama bin Laden operation which the Navy SEALs did. Imagine if they failed, what have been the global repercussion of that? पूरी दुनिया के सामने इनका मजाक हो जाना था. Not only would they have not killed Osama bin Laden, but if they had failed, कि पहुंच गए पर ठोक नहीं पाए और उसके बाद साला बदनामी भी हो गई, right? It is a great strategic value for the nation. So you cannot fail. When special forces go, they cannot fail. है ना? So वो कैसे होता है? How do people not fail? आत्मा से पता लगता है, ठीक है? So people are crushed and broken down to that level where he is surviving only on the energy of his spirit. That's all. And that spirit is clearly visible. दिख रहा है कि बैंजोस की spirit ये है, ठीक है? And then we choose. Only those people remain who we choose. ठीक है? और वही रुकते हैं, वही रुक पाते हैं जो मतलब जिनको हम चुनते हैं, ठीक है? At the end of the day, we choose who we want.
Yeah, and that's what it is. People say about, people have heard about 100 kilometer and that run, this run. I say that is one of the most easiest thing what is expected to do. You will be tested in your probation, whether it is, because in Discovery they had shown about 100 kilometer run and 4 night not sleeping. I think without sleeping in the probation, it is one of those tests which is the complete cycle of probation. And I say that people that don't fancy about things, there are many things which you won't be, we cannot tell you, you won't understand till the time you are there, been there, done that. Why is, and I'm very open and very frank, even coming from the regiment, then they say that, 9 is the best. Why 9 is the best? What makes it the best? You are not there part of the organization. It's there in your blood. It's there everything. But I will again ask, why, why it's that 9 is the best?
Drills, common sense. हम लोग ड्रामा नहीं करते, हम कहीं टीवी पिक्चर पे नहीं आते, हम कहीं किसी और को बताने के उसमें नहीं रहते कि हम कौन है क्या है, हमें किसी बाहर की दुनिया से इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. Our entire focus is on our job. It is called professionalism. हमें पता है कि बाहर की दुनिया में ये ना उरी पिक्चर के बाद बहुत तालियां बजी हैं, सडनली एवरीबडी वांट्स वो स्पेशल फोर्सेस, ये वो दिस दैट। भाई ये तो अभी हुआ है, इतने सालों से बहुत कुछ चल रहा था। एंड दैट इज द प्रोफेशनलिज्म ऑफ 9, that nobody has ever known outside ki what the hell does this battalion do.
Correct.
Right? So the greatest thing about, or the reason why 9 is so effective is because it is highly professional. It is interested only and only in its task and not interested in glory or uniform or beret or this or that. It is not interested in all of those things. Those are outside things. ठीक है, आप मेरे को आप शॉर्ट्स और टी शर्ट में भेज दोगे, मैं वही काम करके आ जाऊंगा जो मैं यूनिफॉर्म पहन के करूंगा। ठीक है, सो इट इज लाइक दैट। ठीक है, सो 9 बेसिक थिंग इज सिंप्लिसिटी, वेरी सिंपल, ग्राउंड थिंग्स। ठीक है, पहली बात तो हम बंदे को, जब बंदा हमारे पास आता है, वी सिलेक्ट दैट गाय ऑन एंट्री, उसको ऐसा भूत बनाते हैं कि उसकी सच्चाई सामने आती है और उस सच्चाई को हम देखते हैं कि ये सच्चाई हमें चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए। तो एट सिलेक्शन वी चूज पीपल लाइक दैट। ठीक है, फर्स्ट थिंग। देयर इज सेकंड थिंग इज वंस द पर्सन इज इन, सिंपल थिंग्स, फॉर एग्जांपल व्हेन यू वॉक इनटू, व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर प्रोबेशन टू 9 पैरा SF, गेट के अंदर घुसा, मेरे को 2-4 गाली वाली पड़ी, जो कुछ भी होना था हुआ, है ना, वहीं से ही रगड़ा शुरू हो गया। स्ट्रेट अवे टू दी कोर्ट, माय फर्स्ट विजिट वाज टू द एडजुटेंट, सेकंड विजिट वाज टू द armory of the battalion, right? And I was handed a live AK-47 live, कोट खोल दिया था, बोला साहब अपना हथियार लो, select your weapon and take it, it's yours। तो मैं गया अंदर, मैंने एक वो, बाकी लोग वो फोल्डिंग बट वाला AK ले रहे थे कि ये BPT भागते टाइम इजी होगा। I took the wooden stock AK। ठीक है, and that, yeah, फिक्स बट AK फिक्स बट लिया मैंने, वो रोमानिया AK रोमानिया बोलते, वो टक करके चढ़ती अच्छी थी वो। एंड आई पिक्ड अप दैट वेपन एंड 6 months that weapon was with me. It did not go back into the armory. I used to, when I was shitting, it was in my hand. When I was sleeping, it was tied to me. When I was eating, it was on my lap. When I was rolling, it was between my knees. ठीक है, that AK-47 never left touching my body for 6 months. 6 महीने वो मेरे बॉडी के साथ कांटेक्ट में था, right? And that is a thing which came into combat. It became a piece of my body. It was like pointing a hand, pointing a finger.
Yeah,
जहां पॉइंट करूंगा गोली वहीं लगेगी। ठीक है, so this is a drill. It's a simple drill. ठीक है, बाकी लोग करते होंगे, नहीं करते होंगे, 9 में चलता है। ठीक है, आप तो क्या बोलते हैं, so like this, these simple drills, and we don't underestimate anyone.
No, I totally agree, and Jacob, it is that you clear probation, you're part of the regiment, you're part of the battalion, but that is not the right only remains. You have to always be there on, because I have seen cases where people have been shown, the gate again. You come, you are their part, but if you are not a notch there, the regiment, the unit says that, okay, please.
Absolutely, there is something spiritual about this question. This thing is कि क्या होता है ना, ये मौत का खेल है। ठीक है, आप घूम रहे हो, लोगों को ठोक ठाक रहे हो, आपके लोगों को गोली लग रही है, लोग मर रहे हैं, अपाहिज हो रहे हैं, बीवी बच्चे अनाथ हो रहे हैं। ठीक है, इट इज नॉट अ जोक। ठीक है, तो इन दिस इंटेंस एनवायरमेंट एंड लगातार सालों साल, ठीक है, I spent 9.5 years in ops। ठीक है, total out of my 14 years। तो in this क्या होता है, हर रात को जब आप पहाड़ चढ़ रहे होते हो, शिकार पे निकले होते हो, हर रात को ये लगता है यार पता नहीं कल सुबह का सूरज देखूंगा नहीं देखूंगा, पता नहीं देखूंगा। ठीक है, every fucking night for so many years constantly thinking this। I don't know यार, if no emotions, just practical thinking कि यार आज की रात पता नहीं क्या क्या होगा। रात को गोलियां चलती हैं भाई, लगती है लोगों को, people have died। ठीक है, so many of our friends have died। ठीक है, so you kill, sometimes you get killed। ठीक है, तो it is a ever and present danger, ever present danger, and it's very close, it's always on your face। कभी भी मौत आ सकती है, कभी भी। ठीक है, नथिंग इज टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड। तो रात को चढ़ रहे हो, सोच रहे हो यार पता नहीं कल सवेरे का सूरज देखेंगे नहीं देखेंगे, उसके बाद क्या हो तो वो तो बात की बात है। आई डोंट नो इफ आई सी फर्स्ट लाइट, राइट? तो कॉन्स्टेंटली लिविंग इन एन एनवायरमेंट लाइक दैट, सम पीपल कांट टेक इट। क्या होता है कि आई वोंट से आई वांटेड, दे चेंज, है ना? पीपल गेट मैरिड, दे हैव चिल्ड्रन, है ना? दे प्रायोरिटीज चेंज, दे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि यार, है ना, मेरे को कुछ हो गया तो मेरे बच्चों का क्या होगा, इनका क्या होगा। इट्स अ बिग थिंग, इट्स नॉट, है ना? वी हैव सीन पीपल हु हैव डाइड एंड लिविंग बिहाइंड 2 स्मॉल डॉटर्स यार, मतलब अब उन बच्चों अनाथ हो गए यार वो, ठीक है? गांव के 2 बच्चे हैं, बीवी है, अनाथ हो गए। दिस one guy's death will cause 3 generations will suffer for it, ठीक है? 2 small children growing up without a father will have psychological issues, they will transfer it to their children, they will transfer it to their children, minimum 3 generations are affected by this death, it's that costly, ठीक है? So once you are playing this game, आप कर रहे हो over a period of time, you realize कि you feel, some people start feeling कि मेरे को नहीं करना यार, ये मेरे को नहीं मर, मतलब I don't want to take this kind of chances anymore, so they leave यार। because the moment you start feeling like this, डर घुस गया ना अंदर, अगर डर घुस गया, मौत का डर आ गया, और मौत का डर becomes bigger than the kick का lure, ठीक है? and you continue to exist in the battalion, you will get somebody killed, because ये गेम ऊपर चढ़ के खेली जाती है, ठीक है? अगर बाहर निकल रहे हो ठोकने के लिए तो you better be बड़ी आउट देयर। हाफ कॉक जाओगे तो गोली फायर नहीं होगी, कोई ना किसी ना किसी को गोली लग जाएगी, नुकसान हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो ये है।
No, you are right that it's not, you are not playing PUBG out there, because lot many people just know that it is PUBG and it is live bullets, it is matter of life and death, and there is no two question when you have got कि जिंदगी में यार वो split of second, I will say not even split, it is more than split of second when you are before even you are launching, so it affects your mental psychology, even affects when you are not there, it affects your preparation, it affects your focus, or operations mein jate jate it can have a very cascading domino effect, and it will impact your team also, so I do understand that. Lot many people, especially the ladies out here and girls out here had been asking, I will say not ladies because it comes into our mind immediately, lady cadets and lady officers, that I've pinned one question that not many girls have been asking, that why can't the girls join para SF, why we don't have para, it's kind of so I thought, look, I parked this question and I told someone had asked me personally even a message, I said, look, I will not comment, let Vivek come and let Vivek tell that why it is not now, why we are not there, and why it is not required now. So I've just opened to you that this question I pinned there, that Vandana has asked that, why girls can't join para SF.
Okay, it is not whether girls can join para SF or not. Okay, it is about what is para SF doing. This is not about male or female. This is about capability, ability to do what that job requires, right? So at present, the way our combat scenario is, जो काम हम अभी करते हैं उस काम में 15-15 दिन, महीना पहाड़ों में घूमना पड़ता है, ठीक है? इट्स ए हंटिंग पार्टी, वी आर हंटिंग, ठीक है? तो when the long hunt is going on and you are out there in बड़ी extreme conditions, we are carrying battle load, 30-30, 40-40 kg एक बंदा उठा रहा होता है, ठीक है? इतना एमुनेशन होता है, इतना बड़ी ग्रेनेड्स होते हैं, ये होता है बहुत, थर्मल इमेजर्स, दिस दैट, सो मच ऑफ फकिंग लोड इज देयर, एंड दैट लोड यू आर कैरिंग इन हाई एल्टीट्यूड, एंड यू आर शिटिंग, पिसिंग, फकिंग एवरीथिंग आउट देयर इन द फकिंग वाइल्ड यार, इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर मेन, सो क्या बोलते हैं, दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग. There were 2 ladies who came to do probation in, they could not do it. We were open, आ जाओ, आ सकते हो, आ जाओ, कम. बट बी यहाँ पे फिर ओ मेरे को फीवर हो गया, मेरे को ये हो गया, मेरे को वो हो गया, वो नहीं होता यहाँ पे. वी आर रूथलेस, वी डोंट जज पीपल. आई डोंट केयर वेदर यू आर मैन और वुमन. व्हाट आई केयर इज, कैन यू कैरी fucking 40 kgs? Can you fucking climb for a bench of 7 days? Can you fucking kill without any fucking thought? Can you bloody shit in front of me? Can you shit in front of me? Can you take a fucking piss in front of me? If you can't, fuck off from here, whether you are man or woman, I don't care. Okay, it's like that.
Yeah.
So it is not a question of man or woman only.
And I'll say that way because it is what, when you are there with this man, there is your back, my back becomes one. It is
absolutely.
It is that close. It can be just two bodies, though. You think like what you said about your weapon, 6 months with the weapon. Same is goes with your team, with your squad out there. That everybody knows, what if Vivek is blinking eye, if Jacob is blinking eye, what he's going through in his mind. It is that as and op requirement as such does not, may not be the requirement, and it is not the right time. And what you said, we are open. It's always open. First off, and we will find ways of employing you, but are you ready? And are you? We have got needs and all. So I think so. Nothing can go as blunt what you have said, that it is not. I'll say choice. It is.
US Special Forces nahi hai. This is not US Navy SEALs. This is fucking Indian Special Forces. They are hard fucking buggers. ठीक है? ये आए थे US Navy SEALs. Nothing against them, right? But they came to to some place to train with us in high altitude. One entire bloody aircraft full of fucking mineral water. ठीक है? पूरा हवाई जहाज तो mineral water चाहिए था इनको, because their stomach goes bad. They can't handle it. Simple as that. है ना? 10 मीटर पहाड़ में चढ़ेंगे, रुकेंगे, बिस्लरी का पानी बोतल चाहिए पीने के लिए. कहाँ से मिलेगा ये सब? ऑपरेशन में कहाँ मिलेगा? ये नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है? So it's like that. So our conditions in which we operate are extremely very rough conditions. ठीक है? And हमारे यहाँ पे गलती माफी नहीं है. Unlike any other profession in the world, maybe except probably doctor, I don't know. Then even doctors also know. Our profession is the only profession in which if you create a fuck up, है ना, you will not, ऐसा नहीं है बिजनेस में आपने fuck up मार दिया तो पैसे लॉस हो गए, है ना, नौकरी चली गई, ठीक है, ये वो हो गया. ठीक है? यहाँ पे आपने fuck up मार दिया, या तो आप मरोगे या आपके साथ वाला मरेगा या अपाहिज हो जाओगे. ठीक है? देयर इज नो मेल फीमेल वाला कोई सिस्टम ही नहीं है कि भाई वी डोंट वांट और वी वांट और दिस और दैट. इट राइट नाउ द वे थिंग्स आर, if a woman is there who can do what we are saying, you're fucking welcome yaar, please आइए करिए volunteer.
I say you rightly said, in corporates the one mistake may be costing your bottom line, but in operations the mistakes comes in body bags. So it is as simple as that can be. That blunt or that straight, I will say.
मर गए तो फिर भी ठीक है, मर गए तो फिर भी ठीक है. ठीक है? तो कई लोगों को है ना, I have known people who have got bullets in their fucking stomach, shattered fucking spine. ठीक है? घर जा now so many of we have seen. So if you get paralyzed, you get maimed, so it is worse than death.
I will, that's what I wanted to come one more thing, Vivek, because I think so the glory along with have a darker end, which does not. 9 para have got its glory, and 9 para have got its darker side of this pain and suffering with the troops out there. How is difficult, and how did you when and I'm saying that one operation may be successful, which it may be looking like, but at the time there may be 100 failures which have made you to be 100% successful. So how difficult it is for you to have been for you to handling those failures, and what you want to say that how you can handle failures in life, especially whatever it may be, whether it is operation, whether seeing your fellow, your buddy, with you, who has been, eating, sitting and smoking with you and dying in front of you in your arms, or mental trauma or failures, anything. How do you handle those?
I have never failed in my life. Never. No man, no operation. In whichever operation I have gone, I have never lost a man. No man has got shot. मेरे साथ जो बंदे चले उनको कभी गोली नहीं लगी, कभी नहीं. हम ठोक के ही आए. ठीक है? That is a fact. ठीक है? तो you plan well यार, है ना? You plan well and then see what is what. ठीक है? तो yes, there are people who have died and things like that, but not a man on my team. No one. ठीक है? I made only one mistake in my life, and that was the last operation I did. I left it after that. ठीक है? But nobody died. ठीक है? But how do you handle failures? Failure and success, like they say, is like seasons. They change. ठीक है? They come and go. Don't be attached to that. Be attached to yourself. ठीक है, there is only one purpose to life and that is to expend energy in the direction you want to expend it. That is the purpose of life. मतलब in my this thing, ठीक है, क्या लेके आए हो, क्या लेके जाओगे, और ये भी नहीं पता जाओगे कब. ये पता है कि आए कब थे, ये नहीं पता जाओगे कब. ठीक है. So think smart, think logically. A logical person will not plan too far ahead. His priority will be what he feels like doing right now, what he wants to, dedicate himself, his energy. We are all energy, right? We choose to put our energy here, we choose to put our energy there. You decide where you want to put your energy and follow it through. ठीक है ना, कर्म वो करो जो करना ही फल लगे. ठीक है, मतलब that's it.
I totally agree, and I think so. That's what made you, follow your passion. Even like I left forces. I took I would say a safer way of, going in a corporate job, earning a well-paid, job and all. But look here, what you did, and what you have been doing, and people have to follow you. I'm telling again, people just go Google Claw and see what they have been doing and what Vivek and his team has been doing. And that's what I'm just asking. That, you again you went on a different tangent when people coming out and doing live and but what you have been doing and I think so that's what you are saying is about passion. What follow your passion and so what, how you left in and out operations, always on adrenaline rush is there, always on the edge and all. How difficult it was, or how difficult, or how out of the world it was when you came out in the piece of the civil?
It was out of this world. मैं ना जब पहली बार ऑप एरिया से उतरा था, first time I went into deep ops, I came out after 1 year and 8 months. I came back to civilization after 1 year and 8 months.
I want to hold in your view. I just want to tell viewers, when he's saying deep ops, that means he had gone, he was there in the field, he did not came back to the battalion, to the center, out of the contact, on inside for 1.5 years. And we are pinning, and we are sitting about 5 months of lockdown at our home, having TV, having Insta, having swiping left, swiping right, Tinder, tripping, news and everything. And what Vivek is saying, 1.5 years of deep ops. I want Vivek, just tell them what it is about, life when you are there, and how different and easy it is when people are.
कुछ नहीं था, वहाँ बस अंधेरा था. ठीक है, जहाँ हम रहते थे वहाँ अंधेरा था, जनरेटर से लाइट चलती थी, पर वो तब था जब हम वापस अपने बंकर में आते थे. पर अदरवाइज बाहर तो it was, the sky was my blanket. It was, that sky was our blanket. ठीक है. एंड तो क्या बोलते हैं, टेलीफोन नहीं था, ये सब कुछ नहीं था, इंटरनेट कुछ भी नहीं था. नथिंग, नो टेलीफोन्स, नथिंग, देयर वाज नथिंग. एंड रेडियो कम्युनिकेशन होता था बैक टू बेस एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो व्हेन आई केम आउट आफ्टर 1 year and 8 months, मेरे को याद है मैं जिप्सी चलाते हुए वैष्णो देवी पहुंचे, वैष्णो देवी के नीचे है ना, जहां से वैष्णो देवी की चढ़ाई चलती है. ऑप एरिया से डी नट कर रहा था मैं, पलटन जा रहा था वापस, और वहां मैं पहुंचा, मेरे को तो शौक ही लग गया. इतने सारे लोग, लाइट्स, गाड़ियां, ये वो करके ना. तो मैंने जिप्सी पार्क की, बोनेट पे बैठा, सिगरेट जलाया, और आधा घंटा बैठ के मेरे पास लाइट देखी. लाइट, आई जस्ट लुक्ड एट लाइट्स एंड लुक्ड एट पीपल. इट वाज अ शॉक. दैट वाज देन. व्हेन आई लेफ्ट दी अगेन, जब मैंने स्पेशल फोर्सेस छोड़ा, तो व्हेन आई केम आउट, तो आई हैड अ बिट ऑफ अ टफ टाइम फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम. मतलब 1.5-2 साल तक तो आई यूज्ड टू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू गो इनटू क्राउडेड प्लेसेस, कि बिकॉज थ्रेट परसेप्शन लेवल्स आर एक्सट्रीमली हाई. इट गोज इनटू योर फकिंग डीएनए. ठीक है, कि कॉन्स्टेंटली यू आर इवैल्यूएटिंग थ्रेट, कि कौन क्या 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 ऐसे करके वो इवैल्यूएशन चलता है. इट इज बिकम्स अ डिफॉल्ट मोड. थ्रेट परसेप्शन बिकम्स अ डिफॉल्ट मोड. तो गोइंग इनटू क्राउडेड प्लेसेस लाइक मेट्रोज या ये या वो कहीं भी होता था, तो मेरी एंजाइटी लेवल बढ़ती थी, बिकॉज हथियार भी नहीं है. ठीक है. और दूसरा ये होता था, पीपल आर वेरी एग्रेसिव. ठीक है, इन दिल्ली एंड ऑल पीपल आर वेरी एग्रेसिव, है ना. कोई धक्का मार देगा, कोई कुछ कर देगा. ठीक है. तो एंड है ना, कोई जबरदस्ती हॉर्न बजा रहे होंगे, है ना. दिस इज फकिंग वायलेंस गोइंग ऑन यार. ठीक है. तो इट इज जस्ट क्रेजी. तो टू मच सेंसरी बड़ी इनपुट कमिंग इन, एंड पीपल आर एग्रेसिव, एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो इट वॉज मेरे को एंजाइटी होना शुरू हो गया था, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट लाइक रिएक्टिंग, ठीक है, कि अगर किसी ने धक्का मार दिया या किसी ने ऐसे करते मेरा मिसबिहेव कर दिया या कुछ कर दिया, तो मेरे को लगता था यार मैंने इसको मार दिया तो जान से मर जाएगा यार, बिकॉज आई एम हैबिचुअल ऑफ किलिंग। ओके, हम लोग कोई किसी को पंच मारने के लिए थोड़ा ना जाते थे, हम लोग तो ठोकते थे लोगों को, वी यूज्ड टू किल, वी आर अ फोर्स व्हिच इज मेंट टू किल, एग्जीक्यूट, ठीक है। तो हथियार छोड़ के बाहर आ गया हूं, पर इंस्टिंक्ट तो वही है, अगर मैं लड़ूंगा तो मैं जान से मार दूंगा इसको, ठीक है। तो मेरे को ये डर भी रहता था अगर मैंने रिएक्ट कर दिया तो, ठीक है। तो एंजाइटी एंड देन क्या बोलते हैं, डिफॉल्ट मोड बहुत चल रहा था। एंड देन जैसे किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में बैठा हूं, बार में बैठा हूं, या है ना कहीं भी, तो आई ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू सिट वेयर नोबडी कैन बी बिहाइंड मी विद माय बैक टू द वॉल, एंड यू नो दरवाजा मेरे सामने होता था कि यहां से साला निकलना पड़े तो टक करके यहां से निकल जाऊं। सो इट वाज टफ। धीरे करके आई लर्न टू रिलैक्स, आई केप्ट टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ, चिल करते तो अभी यहाँ पे हूँ, अभी काफी ठीक हो गया।
Good. I think so. You are loving your passion and you are saying, and somebody wrote that कि साहब, you know, किससे डर नहीं लगता है, हॉर्न से डर लगता है, गोली से डर नहीं लगता साहब, हॉर्न से डर लगता है साहब।
बिल्कुल।
So, it is incredible. I think so. We have couple of minutes only left out here, and again, many of people have been asking about surgical strike. It's new for them, and for you it is, you know, यार ये जब आया है, जब तो मैं बाहर आ गया था, अभी तो you know जो होता है पर्दे के पीछे वो बहुत कुछ होता है जनाब। So any comment on that?
Nothing यार, it was a, अभी भाई पहली बात तो यार such kind, there is a reason why operations are not told, and there is a reason why operations are told. So this operation needed to be told, so it was told to people. There are thousands of operations like this which are not told to people, है ना, it's simple as that. तो वो होता है, काम चलता रहता है यार, काम चलता रहता है।
So any
fantastic operation done. Sorry.
What I'm saying is we have got youngsters, many youngsters who are aspiring, even, you know, they aspire for, they talk many questions about SF, para SF and all, but still they need to, I tell them that still you need to either you need to join in ranks, or you need to, you know, join through NDA or clear and first become, you know, wear uniform, then you talk about para, SF, NSG, you know, SFF or otherwise anything, whatever it is. But what I'm asking is, what you know, any message to these youths? Look, para SF is there, fitness is there, but the what do you want to say? I think so about you. I talk a lot. Dharam has joined today. In my course mate, Captain Dharam is also there. He joined and he also inspires people. But people are mad to listen to you, you know, and whatever you are saying, I'm thinking it will leave a lot of impact. So any message to these youngsters out there?
Yeah, क्या बोलते हैं? Like I said in the beginning, ठीक है, ये para SF and all, it is a state of mind. It is about specialization. Be a specialist. Whatever you do in your life, be a specialist. ठीक है, जो भी काम करो, you know, I'll tell you something. You know, people, they know so and so is special forces, and special, right? So this word special, what is this special word? Yeah, every human being on this planet is special, and I'll tell you why. ठीक है, ऐसा है ना कि if you just look at yourself, है ना ठाकुर, a person who looks like you, thinks like you, talks like you, behaves like you, has the same parents like you, right? Same fucking DNA like you, same fucking environment like you, same memories like you, has never ever happened before in the history of humanity, and in the eternity of time. Nirmit Thakur, who looks exactly like this with the same fucking experience, will never ever ever happen again, right? So what does that mean? It means you're fucking special, yaar. It means you're fucking special, and everybody is special. That is the fuck up with this. There's a fuck up with this world. Ki everybody is comparing themselves with other people. Everybody wants to become something like the other person. It is a waste of time. It is a waste of energy. It is the most tragic thing that to see in this world, that people are trying to become like other people. Fucking be yourself. Okay? That is all. It does not take, you know, by यार क्या बोलते हैं, स्पेशल फोर्सेस में जाके ऐसा नहीं कि उन्होंने हमें कुछ बना दिया, हम थे यार, ठीक है, हम थे, ऐसे ही थे, ठीक है, वहां जाके उन्होंने हमें ट्रेन किया, पर स्पिरिट तो नहीं बदली ना, स्पिरिट तो वही है यार, स्पिरिट सिखाई नहीं जा सकती, स्पिरिट इज प्योर टू यू एंड यू मस्ट लिव योर लाइफ बाय योर स्पिरिट।